The new Mission Wheelie program comes in 3 sizes: 45 liter, which is TSA approved, 65 liter, and 110 liter. Feature sets on these 3 are identical. And again, they're all made with a polycarbonate shell, replaceable wheels, telescoping handle, an 840 denier junior ballistic recycled nylon with carbonate coating. Access into the duffel comes through a large U-shaped zipper to expose 2 detail pockets on the lid for DOP kits or electronics, an additional zippered detail pocket in the front, and plenty of room for internal organization. 2 additional features internally include compression straps to secure gear, as well as tabs to accommodate a quick attach Zoid bag. Suitcases are inherently challenging to store. In an effort to add value here, we made the bottom of the frame collapsible. To do so, remove the Velcro tabs at the bottom of the suitcase and folds down for easier storage. There are 2 additional auxiliary pockets, one on each end of each of the 3 sizes of Mission Wheelies. The bottom compartment, traditionally used for dirty laundry, and the top compartment is specifically designed to accommodate multiple sizes of mission controls for easy access when traveling. Additionally, external features include multiple grab handles on both ends as well as both sides, a window for ID tags, as well as an incredibly handy attachment to connect 2 duffels together when traveling through an airport.